The big deal right here, boys. All right, so today on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King, we're going to talk about pairing the R400 remote to the adjustable base. This one, not as simple as the R650. If you saw that video, you see this little light right here. Still pretty simple though, except it's not on the remote, it's now underneath. We flipped this to make it a little easier to see. All right, so you'll hold the button till it blinks. Just hold it. When it's solid, it should mean it's paired to your remote now. And you'll see we turn on the 3D wave massage technology. You can kind of see this unit vibrating. Going pretty crazy there. We'll talk more when we talk about the features and benefits. That's one of the coolest features that this base actually has. So if you're pulling your hair out, you can't pair your base, you're stuck in a taco position or something, pull up this video. Hopefully that helped you out. This is for the Reverie R400. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have all kinds of cool videos like this. See you guys next week.